Bet super free games. 12 games. All 4. We need 15 Timberwolves. Come on, Timberwolves. Do it, baby. Give me the wolf. There she is, the big wolf. It's Rosie. It's Rosie Wolf. I got one. I'm just gonna let this thing do what it wants to do. $44. Come on, I need heads. Come on, Timberwolf, give me heads. It sounds kind of weird. Hey, wolf, give me head. Oopsie. Come on. It's got a lot of catching up to do. 8 games left. Come on. 2. That's pathetic. Come on. Six games left. I haven't even gotten a wolf all the way across yet. Come on. That's a respin down there. It's horrible. I really thought this would be big. What a joke. That's big. 7,500 times 4. $300. Come on, let's get another one of those. One big hit. $488.